Hi everyone! I can't believe this is my first video of this year, guys. I had to take a little break because I've been on YouTube for over 10 years and I just had to take some time to refresh, recharge, and also think about like where I want to go with my channel. I'm obviously going to be doing makeup because I still love makeup. Actually, today's video is going to be a review video of Colourpop's Sailor Moon collaboration and also of me transforming into Queen Serenity. So this is not the final look. I have a whole tutorial after this review video. So yeah, let's talk about this collection, guys. I don't think anybody saw this coming. They did a really good job keeping it a secret. Once they announced it on Instagram, I saw the people going crazy in the comments and I was like, I better get this box. And the same day, after a few hours, guys, the box was here, which is really special because a lot of the times I see all of these launches online and then I get the PR box. But this, I got to unbox it, kind of have that experience like right in front of me. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and look at the collection. The collection, it came in this box. As soon as you open it, guys, you see Sailor Moon, Luna, and then all of the holographic moon details. It's all baby pink. It definitely has that Sailor Moon vibe and aesthetic. And here is all of the products, guys, down here. So first of all, we have the eyeshadow palette, and the outer packaging matches the PR box. And then there are two blushes, guys, with Luna on it. There's a lot of twos after this. So there's this blushes, two glitterly obsessed body glitter, then two lip bundles with ultra blotted lips and ultra glossy lips. Okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette, guys. You can see it has this, I think it's called the lenticular design, which is like two images combined so they kind of move. I had like pencil boxes when I was a kid that had this kind of design. So this is really cool. It's just like a cartoon and this is like an iconic scene. So let's go ahead and open it up. When I first saw this, guys, I squealed because I love the color choices. It just looks very dreamy, like all of the peaches and the pinks kind of reminds me of like that scenery and background from the cartoon. And it's also perfect for spring. So you can do a lot with these shadows right here, guys. The formula is very similar to other Colourpop eyeshadows. The mattes right here, the brighter ones, are very pigmented. And then the ones up here, I've been using it for like transition and base colors. These blend really well. There's also this shadow right here. You guys can see kind of squishy, like the Super Shock shadow, but it picks up well in an eyeshadow brush. And then there's also like those glitter shadows that I love. Okay, next we have the blushes, guys. They have similar packaging to the eyeshadow palette. You can see Luna. I do wish that they had one Luna and one Artemis so you can kind of differentiate them. This one is Cat's Eye. And then this one is From the Moon. This one is a coral pink blush, guys. It also has shimmer. I usually go for like shimmer blushes because it adds more fullness to my cheeks. So I really like this. And then the From the Moon is like a hot pink blush. This one looks like it's gonna be really opaque, so you might wanna pick up like a little bit and then kind of build on. Okay, we're moving on to the lip bundles. So these are the ultra glossy lips and then the ultra blotted lips. Everybody I know loves the blotted lips, guys. It's really nice and matte. If you guys look closer, I feel like the ultra blotted lips match the blushes. Like this one's a coral pink and then this one is like the hotter pink. And the glosses, guys, they smell so yummy. I feel like they layer on really well and it's not sticky at all. And then finally, guys, we have the two body glitters. I feel like a lot of people might skip this from the collection. Maybe glitter liners would have made more sense. But I really love the Moon Prism Power, guys. I don't think I have any body glitter like this from Colourpop. This one has like little tiny moons and stars inside. It's very cosmic galaxy. And it smells like watermelon and chemical. This one is Moonlight Legend. It's pink and also has like white sequins inside. So guys, that is all of the collection. Overall, guys, I think they did a really great job making it feel very magical and kawaii like Sailor Moon. I loved everything. I will definitely give it an 8 out of 10. A 10 would be if they went in a little further and created products inspired by like the wand wand, the silver crystal, or badges or stuff like that. I think that would bring back like the real nostalgia for a lot of fans, and they would want to collect all of that. I don't even know why I'm doing this review because I know most of you already purchased it. But yeah, now let's go ahead, guys, and do a makeup look of Queen Serenity using this collection. So if you guys are ready, let's begin.
Never said that I want you to your face, and I know that I can't. No good it would do, it would scar you. Then what a fine friend I would be. How can I go, go? I think I know how low I could go low. I go low, oh, oh. 'Cause I can go low, low, low. I think you know how low I can go low. I go low, oh, oh. It over. I know one day we all die.